Yeah, fish! Fish on! See its belly? Inside its belly, bunch of liver. Hey guys, how are we doing? So welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So today we are out for another seasonal fishing in autumn. There's a fish that has very yummy liver with them. So we're gonna catch them and cook them into sashimi and eat them with their liver. Actually, this is something that you can only have at fancy restaurants, and they're very pricey. It's a bit tough condition for fishing today, so I'm not sure if I can make it. Oh no. No. So we're gonna have the catch and cook experience today. So let's go. So now we are at one of the expected spots for Kawahagi fishing. It's pretty close from the shore and it's about 12 meters deep. So it's shallow and close from the shore, and there are some rocks at the bottom. So hopefully we can get some Kawahagi here. So we're gonna use this clam meat for the bait. Okay, so it's set up like this. Okay, let's go. They're really good at taking bait, you know. No. Yeah. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. That's kind of strong. What do you think? Yeah! This is Kawahagi. The target of today. Today's target, man. See its belly? Inside its belly, there seem to be a bunch of liver. Okay. Put it in here. Let's go for another fish. Okay, let's go. 30 meters. Yep. Yes. 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 It's light, pretty light this time. I got different fish. Baby snapper. Baby snapper. Kind of cute. Okay. Goodbye. Grow big. Don't you want to eat clam chowder? Hey, come on. Come on. Oh, there's less bite now. I don't know what's going on. Hey, come on, come on. Kawahagi-chan. No? You don't want to eat them? You don't want to eat them. Come on. See, they're all taken. Oh my god, I even didn't realize. I'm not gonna miss it this time. Come on, come. Yeah, fish on. Another one. This time it seems like a little bit bigger. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Come on. Yeah. See, it's big. It's big. Oh yeah. I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna dispatch them to bring them back in fresh. Okay, stop the brain here. Okay, and this one's dispatched. And cut the gill and bleed them. Same thing. It's so powerful. So powerful. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Let's see. Here. Okay, so today we got 6 of them. They're all beautiful. So this one's got a long fin, right? So this one must be male, and they are female. Male, female, female, female. Okay. 6 of them. Hey, so let's prepare those fish before getting into cooking. Whoosh. Oh my god. It's a liver. Huge liver inside. So let's separate the fish into head and liver and the body. Maybe I'm gonna make ice salt water to keep the liver fresh. Salt. A little more. Salt. Okay, put it in here. I think it's better. Yes, okay. So today I got 6 of them. It's a lot of work. Eesh. Okay, so now they're all separated into 3 parts: head, body, and liver. So it's time to peel off the skin. So speaking of peeling off the skin, this fish is called Kawahagi in Japanese. They got really unique name. Kawa means the skin and hagi means the peeling off. So it directly means we can peel off their skin very easily. So, you know, I'm really sad. I feel kind of sad for them to be given such a dishonor name. But actually, it's really easy to peel off the skin. And I feel really comfortable with it. I like it. See, it's done. Okay, so this is all what I'm gonna use for today's dinner. And these two go to soup and sashimi and sushi. Okay, the vinegar. And if the taste is good, I'm gonna cool it down. Okay. Can you see it? The meat is still moving. It's living. As you can see, this is super fresh because, you know, I dispatched properly on the boat and bled them well. That's why the meat is still living. And this goes to soup as well. So cut up the rib bone here, rib cage. So what I'm doing here is just removing the pin bones here. So just I'm cutting off the center. So this very thin skin, I'm gonna peel off. Well, maybe I have to prepare this one first, the liver. We're gonna eat it raw today because, you know, it's well dispatched and it's super fresh. So we can eat it raw. And add a little bit of soy sauce. This is called kimojoyu and many people love it. Done. So we're gonna use this one for sushi and also sashimi too. Okay, these are for sushi. It doesn't look good, but must be delicious. Kawahagi liver sushi. And it doesn't look good either, but Kawahagi kimojoyu sashimi. Alright, done.
Oishii yo.